Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be solving this interesting arithmetic progression question. Now the first thing I'll do, I'm going to write out the parameters that I'll be given. Now the first term in this question is 1, so I'll say A equal to 1. Then our common difference, which is D, will be gotten from the second term minus the first term, that which is 4 minus 1. So our common difference is what? 3. Then the last term is x. Last term is what? X. Then the sum of term of this AP is that's Sn is 330. Now the first thing I'll do, I'm going to write out the formula used for calculating sum of term of an AP. So write Sn equal to n all over 2 open bracket 2a plus n minus 1d, close my bracket. Now Sn is 330, so I replace it with 330 equal to my n. They didn't give us n, the number of 10. So we say n all over 2 bracket 2. 2 is multiplying a, so we say 2 multiplied by 1 plus open bracket n. We don't know what n is, so we say n minus 1. Then d is 3. So we say 3, close bracket. Now I'm going to cross multiply. So we have 330 multiplied by these 2. That will give us what? 660 equal to n. This n. Open our bracket. 2 multiplied by 1, that's 2 plus. Now I'm going to use 3 to open this bracket. 3 times n will give me what? 3n. Then 3 times minus 1, I'll get minus 3. Close my bracket. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll say 660 equal to n. Open bracket. This 3n, I'll write it. Then 2 minus 3 will give me minus 1. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll say 660 equal to, now I use this n to open this bracket. So the n multiplied by 3n, I got 3n squared. Then n multiplied by 1, I got minus n. Then on rearranging it, I'll get something like this: 3n squared minus n minus 660 equal to 0. And we all know that this is a quadratic equation. Now, in this quadratic equation, now I'm going to use the formula method in solving it. So I'll say from here now, our a in this quadratic equation will be the a will now be what? 3. Then my b will be minus 1. C equal to minus 660. So now I'll write my formula. N will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is my quadratic formula. So from here now I can say that n will be equal to minus, my b is what? Minus 1, so I'll put minus 1 here. Then this is plus or minus, so we'll say plus or minus the square root of, that here will be what? Minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 3 times c is minus 660 all over 2a. A is what? 3. So that's 2 times 3. So I can say that n will be equal to minus multiplied by minus. That will give us what? Plus 1. So we say 1 plus or minus. Now everything inside is square root sign. When I multiply 1 minus 1 square minus 4 times 3 times minus 60, I got the square root of 7920 all over 6. Then from here I can say that n will be equal to 1 plus or minus, the square root of 7, 9, 20 is 89. So all over 6. So from here I can say that n will be equal to 1 plus 89 all over 6, or 1 minus 89 all over 6. Then I will say that n will be equal to 1 plus 89, that will give us what, 90 all over 6, which means, or we can say here, 1 minus 89 will give me minus 88 all over 6. So this will give us a negative answer. So I'm going to forget about this. So 90 divided by 6 is what? 15. So we say n equal to 15. So we have gotten n as what? 15. So now let's look for our x that we are told to find. That's x. And x is the what? The last term. So we continue. We apply this our formula. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. Now, this Tn will be my what? X. X, that's the last term, equal to a. My a is 1, which is the first term, plus n. I've already gotten n as 15, so here will be 15 minus 1. Then d is 3. So from here now I can say x will be equal to 1 plus 14 multiplied by 3. Then x will be equal to 1 plus 42. Then x will be equal to, our final solution is that x is equal to 43. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.